Hey guys, welcome to another episode on my channel. So today we are going to continue our story about n8n and we are going to talk about reading and writing local files. So my workflow is ready, and first I'm going to add chat trigger. This is fine. It's going to be at the beginning of our workflow. Now I'm going to read the file. First we are going to read from file, and now this part is important. I'm going to open my CasaOS in order to show you the settings for n8n, and in here you can see that on my local machine data app data test, it's mapped to home test on container. So what we have to do in here, I'm going to get back to n8n, and in here I'm going to write home test, and I'm going to provide the name of the file that we are going to read. Input txt. All right, this is fine for now. Now we are going to create those files that we are going to use. Okay, I'm going to get back, and I have my Tilix started, and I've navigated to data updata.test through my SSH, and I'm going to show you what I have in this directory. So I don't have anything. Now I'm going to create those two files that we are going to use, touch input txt and output txt, and we are going to change content of that input with nano input txt, and I'm going to say something like x minus 28, it's 765, something like that. I'm going to write this out, exit. I'm going to cat that input txt, everything is fine. All right, now I'm going to ls all. Now what we are going to do in order to make these two files available to our n8n, first I'm going to use my command sudo chown for root input txt output txt. All right, I'm going to provide my password now, and I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to change mode to 006 for these two files. All right, and I'm going to ls all once again. You see the changes that we have created. All right, so this is fine. Now we can use these two files, and in here let me check what I have. Okay, home text test input txt. All right, this step could be executed now. We are going to see whether we can load this file or not. Let me check. No, I cannot load it in this way. I'm just going to break this flow, and I'm going to try to load it independently. Okay. Yeah, we have the result. Let me check with view. Yes, x minus 28, it's 765. Okay, I'm going to connect this flow once again. And now, in order for us to use the content of this file, we have to convert this to text. So we are not going to convert to a file, we are going to extract from the file, and we are going to extract from the text file. All right, so we are going to use this data, we are going to convert it into output field data. All right, I'm going to get back now. Now we can create our AI agent. All right, chat input, but we are not going to use only chat input. We are going to solve this in a moment, so you don't have to worry. All right, I'm going to add my model first. I'm going to use Ollama chat model, Ollama account, and I'm going to use Granite 4. Let me do one more thing. I'm doing this usually. Keep alive for 25 minutes. All right, that's cool. And let's go with simple memory. This is going to be fine. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to execute this workflow with hey. We just need anything in order to get the names for those variables. Let me see whether I have it or not. No. We probably have it now. Yes, and I'm going to change this to define below. I'm going to use both JSON chat input space, and I'm going to use this yes, it's expression, it's fine. So we need to use both these variables in order to combine this into single string. Okay, so I'm going to try to execute this step once again. So I'm going to say hey. Okay, I don't need to continue. Let me see what I have on the input side. Okay, now it's everything right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to convert this output into the file. So I'm going to convert it into textual file. I'm going to take output from my AI agent and I'm going to put it into data. Okay, get back, and in here, write to the disk. Of course, I'm going to use home test output txt. All right. Finally, let us test this workflow. So what is the point now? I want to ask my Ollama agent to solve this equation for me. And the equation we set within this file. So without content of the file, equation cannot be solved. So now we are going to test entire workflow in order to see the result. Of course, result is going to be written into that output file. So I'm going to ask, can you solve equation for me? What is x? All right, we have something. Let's see. To solve equation, you need to isolate one. Okay, what is the result? So x, it's 793. So 793 is the result. Let me check once again. Yeah. That's perfect. Now the final test is to see whether we have that content in our output file. Let me check. I'm going to cut output. Yeah, that's all. So guys, that would be all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!